I'm Trinity here. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your KidiZoom Creator Cam to, drumroll please, make objects float. And kids, this is advertising. You'll need your Creator Cam, tripod, green screen, and a toy you're going to float, which is Mia. Let's set up our green screen like this. Take your toy and your Creator Cam and put your toy in the middle. On your Creator Cam, select the Creativity Tools mode and then Floating Object because that's what we want to do. On your Creator Cam, it does show instructions, which is super helpful. Okay, so line up your Creator Cam with the object. Pro tip, fill up the screen with the green screen. That's how I make sure we only see the item float. When you're ready, just hit the red button. Move your object where you want it to be. That is so cool. Let's put it all together. Hit the record button, put your hand under the object, and make it float. Let's watch it. It's not quite looking how I hoped. I could go into video editor and then trim the beginning so the artist starts with me holding the object. Yes, that's more like it. Whoa, look at that! I'm Trinity and that's how you can make objects float on the Creator Cam from VTech.